Nakaliang ba George B. Lyngdoh, nakaliang persya, ulapan kajing pensai, halor kajing suki treikam katnat pulit, pan kiam yau wiki de, halor kajing pen priang khana thok bat kensyat bat pensyet ya ki weipat ki barjela, kelangkari, daga babu kajing im kiri ulum jongi, ha kajing ma. Kani kajing ken sting jong katnat pulit kala aiman sim yau barjela pan ken kaya ki. Nomar la shisnam, hadian kajing ujor ijahar persya yau niu barjela, katnat pulit kam syam lala pan bot dien nilai yau. Halor kaniu ba George ulay thu ba kajing lek pulit ka penong ikpat ba pandu ka jingshaniah bat banya nu jor pat ya katanat pulit jonga jela ba jonga Nagaland bat Arunachal Pradesh ki bla pensange shisndon ya kum kini ki jo ki jingja ha social media. Uba George ula ong ba katanat pulit kadai ban pen ida ki kam khanang bakan la ban yop yang ka jingshaniah sa shisien na ki pat ba. Namar kumba kalong menta ka pen isai ba katanat pulit ka treikam bat pen ibor tang hasar. Wat ban penyap dang step perngap yo badang tiap pang hajing tia. Henry habapoy hakaban simkia bat yadai kajat ben rio la kalong ha social media ne kanu benta katanat pulit ka kenran din bat company ya ka kam. Ula kerpat ka sorkar bukan te la kam ya kajing pentok bria uniu bar jela ya ka jela jongi ka babu ru ha kajing ma ya ki briu jongi ki basa sabar nala ka jela. Ula kentu ru katanat pulit bagi daiban persyang ban yo biang kajing shania na ki pat ba.
Against the citizens of Meghalaya and also insults the leaders of our state, sir. So, there are a few inferences that can be drawn from this particular news item and the incident that it relates to. That there is a serious violation, sir, of freedom of speech and expression, and this person is on a mission to taint the character of our Meghalaya citizens and to spread false information about the state, sir. The fact is that this person has repeated his actions of spreading hate and attempts to bring a communal divide, sir. It speaks of his agenda to malign the image of a state, and there is an attempt to scare people also living in other parts of the country by spreading false information about the nature of our citizens and the atmosphere prevailing here, sir. I cannot repeat, sir, what he has said, as I cannot stoop to his levels to repeat all those words that he has spoken against our people and against our state, sir. However, sir, I stand here to condemn his messages, condemn his videos, and urge upon the government to ensure that these videos are taken out of circulation immediately. Sir, one more disturbing fact from this news item is that it speaks about the inaction on an FIR that has been filed for nearly a year. Inaction on the behalf of the police department, sir. They seem to have given this Vicky Day a free hand and allowed him to spew venom and spread canards about our state and our citizens. So this inaction for the past 1 year has therefore encouraged this VKD to spread even more videos. So, this inaction of the state police has led to people and citizens of the state drawing many conclusions. Number one, that our state police is incapable of responding to the challenges of hate crimes that have been committed against us as a state by people from other parts of the country and other parts of the world. So, people are comparing this inaction of the state police against the prompt and swift action of Nagaland police and Arunachal police when such videos are being circulated at the internet or in social media, sir. That's number one, sir. Number two, sir, our state police is being tagged as incompetent and laid back. People are saying that the police, they brag about their bravery only in Shillong city. But then when it comes to standing up to real challenges, when it comes to defend the name of our state police cannot muster that strength. This is the image that is being drawn from the inaction of the police, sir. And with the recent events, people are saying that the state police can quickly murder a person at 3 a.m. in the morning who's lying on his sick bed. But when it comes to persons like Vicky Day, who has endangered the lives of our citizens living in other parts of the country, no action is being taken, sir. It speaks ill of the department. Sir, these are the messages that are being sent to the people, sir. And now we lack confidence on the competence of the police department, sir. Sir, I therefore brought this call attention to urge upon the state government to initiate action and prompt action, sir, against such individuals who spread hate, spread false information, and spread all these wrongful information, sir, about the state, tainting our image of the state, tainting the image of the citizens of the state, tainting the image of our leaders. Sir, law has to be enforced, and the enforcement agencies should not be seen lacking, sir, in their commitment when it comes to defending our state, whether on the ground or on virtual platforms. Sir, the police department needs to build an image of trust, build an image of confidence and sincerity in upholding the law so that people see in them as the true protectors of the state, sir. So these are a few submissions, sir, which I'd like to draw the attention of the government and the kind of messages that are being sent due to inaction, which brings about a very, very poor image of the department, which we need to pep up and ensure that action is taken for or against such hate crimes, sir. With these few submissions, sir, I thank you for the time being. I resume my seat, sir.
At the very outset, I would like to thank the Honourable Member from Umroi, Shri George B. Lyngdoh, who has tabled this call attention motion under Rule 54 of the Procedure and Conduct of Business of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly for the matter which is of urgent public importance in connection with the news item which appeared in jingshaniah dated 31st August 2021 under the caption Lajan don shishnem nadu ba'ai ijar prishayau bikide. Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to inform this August House that on 2nd of September 2022, the officer in charge of Lyngdoh PS lodged an FIR that one person, namely Vicky Day, had circulated a couple of videos in social media platforms like WhatsApp and Facebook, which are likely to incite communal tension between the tribals and non-tribals in Meghalaya. In the video, Vicky Day stated that some NGOs are forcing non-tribal to shut down their businesses in places like Ishamati. As a result, Mr. Speaker, sir, a case by Lyngdoh PS case number 100/09/2020 U/S 109/153/153 IPC was registered. Later, the case was transferred to Shillong PS on the 10th of November 2020. As order dated 29th October 2020, passed by the Additional District Court Judicial Shillong, and the case was re-registered by Shillong PS case number 02/01/2021 U/S 109/153/153 IPC and investigated into. Mr. Speaker, sir, on the 19th of October 2020, the government also received the complaint from Dominic S. Wankar, freelance columnist and political observer, and J.T. Lamare, social worker, against 1. Vicky Day, 2. Prantush Sarkar, 3. Mridul Das, and 4. Binayak Roy for circulating false statements and information in the media and other social media platforms with deep-rooted intention to cause serious breach of trust by their actions to the extent of misleading the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya and the Prime Minister's Office, New Delhi. As a result, a case by Sadar Police Station, Sadar PS, case number 258-11, 2020, U/S153/A-1/A/1/B/C/2/34 IPC was registered and investigated into. Mr. Speaker, sir, during the course of investigation of the above referred cases, a lookout notice was sent to Superintendent of Police North Goa, Panaji, and the Superintendent of Police South Goa, Margao, as the accused was suspected to be hiding somewhere in Goa. The Superintendent of Police North Goa and the Superintendent of Police South Goa informed that they could not trace the wanted accused person in their respective jurisdiction, but are maintaining sharp lookout for him. Also, a lookout notice was issued to the Commissioner of Police, Lal Bazar Police Headquarters, Kolkata. But till date, there has been no reply from Kolkata Police. Further, the Special Superintendent of Police CID, Meghalaya, Shillong, has also sent a lookout notice to all the states in India, but there has been no reply from any state till date. Mr. Speaker, sir, since the accused is still absconding and evading police arrest, efforts are on to apprehend him at the earliest. Mr. Speaker, sir, both the cases mentioned above are still under investigation, and the State Police Department is committed to apprehend the named accused. Sir, while I was listening to the submissions of the Honourable Member, had casted doubt on the efficiency of the police personnel in the police department and made them look very incompetent, according to his statement. And sir, at this point in time, I would like to state that it is sad that elected representatives today would look down on our police personnel in such a way. So the amount of effort, the amount of sacrifice, the number of hours that our police personnel put in just to keep us safe is unimaginable. And today, as a House and as members, to cast a doubt on their efficiency and on their intention is really not fair. Yes, there could be shortcomings. Yes, there could be concerns where we may not be able to move on certain areas, but that should not reflect and make them look as if they are not competent and not concerned about the state.